Our topic tonight is car, truck, and motorcycle accidents. We'd love to hear from you. 855-LAW-1955. Have a few folks hanging on the line for us. We appreciate that. We're going to start with Jean, who is over in Pleasant Grove. Good evening to you, Jean. How are you tonight?
Good. How about yourself?
We are well, and we're glad to hear from you. Please go right ahead with your question.
Okay. I was at my doctor's appointment the other day. When I came out, my car had been hit. No one was there, whoever it was that left the scene. So I got a report from security and got a police report. But when I called my insurance, they were saying I have uninsured motorist, but they said that I can't use it because I wasn't in the car. But when I Googled it, it said it was for hit and run also. So I have a collision and comprehensive. But my question is, when do you use uninsured motorist?
That's a great question.
That is a great question. Generally speaking, uninsured motorist, for the most part, is used when you're injured. That's generally when you see it. So if you weren't in the vehicle and you're not injured, then usually that uninsured motorist wouldn't kick in. That's generally where you'll see uninsured motorist coverage being used. For instance, if someone hits you while you're in the vehicle and then you're injured through that and they don't have insurance, then that's when you'd see that uninsured motorist kick in.
Yeah, but I will say this, you don't have to be in the car for uninsured motorists to kick in. Right. Let's say that you're a pedestrian, okay, and a motorist hits you and you've got uninsured motorist coverage. You should be covered for that. And also, what if you're, let's say that your car breaks down and you're on the side of the road and something happens and a car somehow hits your car and you're injured, but you're not in the car. All right, you're still covered. So is everybody in your family. That's why this insurance is so important. If you're riding a bicycle, okay, your uninsured motorist coverage will cover you for that. So under your situation, because you weren't injured, like Darius said, your collision coverage should be what kicks in to cover that. But I mean, if you, I think I heard you say you had collision, you'll have to pay a deductible, but you know, so it might not amount to what the damages are, but otherwise your collision coverage would kick in.
Well, I want to commend Jean, and we are glad to hear that you have UIM and UM coverage. Yes. Trying to get these acronyms
You're on it.
right.
You got
so,
it.
Okay, got it. So glad to hear that, and certainly wish you the best with that situation.